This video will show you how to access Everfi through Clever. It should only be just a couple-minute video. So to get started, you'll go to your Office 365 icon on your desktop. Notice that it will take you to your Active Directory splash page. You'll want to sign in if it prompts you to use your school email address and password. So go ahead and click away so that you're signed in. Then you'll see the splash page, and we're looking for the icon that says Clever. So go ahead and click on that. And when you're in Clever, then it might prompt you to do something like this. Log in with Active Directory, and that's great. Go ahead and click. And then you'll notice D. Lampy's page, so that's me. And then if you are a student that has other teachers that are using Clever and they've put you within the system, you might see their pages too. Let's go ahead and get started with my class. So D. Lampy's page. You'll notice the two applications, Everfi and CK12 Foundation. We will not use CK12, we're only in Everfi, so go ahead and click on Everfi. And again, this is how you'll access Everfi for the most part each time that you get into the system. And Everfi is the program that you are required to do. We'll go through all of the units in Everfi throughout the semester. You'll have to pass each one of the assessments at a 70% or higher, and you will need to go through each of the simulation components. So to get started, you'll click here. Please notice that your course progress, this button is so when we come back to it the next time, you'll click on your course progress, and it should prompt you to take you to the next step. So our goal today is to get this started, go through the first video set that kind of shows you how to use Everfi, and then the next direction is for you to actually do the savings module and go from start to finish. Now this is going to take a good amount of time, so please make sure that you plan for it. So once again, actually I'm going to mute this because this audio is a little annoying, but you'll go ahead and choose Get Started. The video will automatically prompt. Please notice that there are arrows. There's an arrow here, but there's not here. But once this is ready to advance, the arrow will pop up. There's also times in the video where it might ask you to use the scroll bar to advance or to move along. And basically, you just have to click on it and you can move it along. So again, it will let you advance once it's ready. There's no skipping these things. You do need to take time and listen to the program, because this is kind of what it's all about. Good luck, and if you have any questions, please go ahead and email me, or come to class in the morning, 7:15 to 8:15 in the morning, and also, jump on a Zoom video conference call when I open those up. So good luck in this first one, and if we have any problems, we'll work through that. Don't stress. We'll work through all of these technology components for you. That's what this class is about, is to give you these experiences. All right, that's it.